Dr. Huebner of Natural Transplants here with our VIP patient of the day, Logan. And Logan has come up from Richmond, Virginia, and he is here to have an HUE procedure at our Bethesda clinic. And Logan actually has had a transplant in the past. A young guy noticed his hair loss at an early age and tried to do something definitive about it, and he went to a large, well-known institution and had a hair transplant and did not get the results he was looking for. So he came here today to get a more definitive procedure, and we're happy he did. So Logan, thanks for coming up, and just kind of tell people about your hair loss to this point and how it's affected your life.
Yeah, so I basically, all through high school had a thick head of hair. Right after high school, started losing my hair, probably around the age of 18. By 21, 22, it was pretty kind of advanced, or more advanced than I would like, so I kind of went in and tried to do something about it. Obviously, the results weren't that great, so round two, gonna try it with somebody else, and went to your guys' website. Basically, seems like you had some success, so
yep.
So we're gonna try it here.
Cool. And we've already talked a little bit so far about what we're gonna do today, but we'll be taking some more videos, and I'm glad you said you found out about us online. That's how a lot of people find out about us. And certainly these videos help a lot of people that are in the exact same situation that you are, man. You're not the only young guy in the world to lose their hair, so this is really going to help a lot of people out there, especially 8 or 9 months down the road when we see your results and can kind of put side-by-side pictures up.
That's right.
And I know that's what you want, man. So all right, man, we're gonna get started. We're gonna draw out your hairline. We're gonna get you in the procedure room, and we'll check in on you after the strip's out and see how you're doing.
Sounds good.
All right. Dr. Huebner of Natural Transplants back here with Logan. Logan, at this point in the day, man, how's everything going for you?
Going good. We're just about finished up here, as you can see. No, just kidding. We're not about
halfway. About halfway. So yeah, so at this point in the day, you drew out his hairline, which you can see kind of buzzed away the area we're going to graft into. We took the strip out already. And Logan is comfortable and awake and talking to us, enjoying the conversation. And yeah, how's everything been up to this point?
So yeah, it's been pretty easy going. Not too much pain or anything like that.
And the anesthesia, little pricks and burns for maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then
at all.
Exactly. And we don't do anything until you're totally comfortable. So you didn't feel anything taking the strip out. He wanted to look at the strip, which is cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're all sewn up in the back, and now we're just taking a break and getting ready to go on to the next part, let him stretch his legs, use the restroom. And yeah, so we'll check in on you again after the grafts are placed, and gonna look like Frankenstein a little bit, but hey, it's gonna be worth it a year from now when you have a full head of hair, buddy.
That's right.
All right, Logan, thanks a lot. We'll check in on you again. Okay, back here with Logan, Dr. Huebner of Natural Transplants. Logan has just completed his HUE or HUE procedure, and as you can see, we have just jam-packed from the frontal hairline all the way back into the mid-scalp, probably even touching the anterior crown there. We can see how nice and jagged that frontal hairline is. Small grafts in the front, creating some natural recessions for Logan, and then every single bump you see behind that is a multiple follicular unit graft with anywhere from 3 to 8 hairs depending on the density that you have. So at this point in the day, Logan's all done. We're just going to go over some post-op stuff. But Logan, tell us how your day was so far and just the overall experience for you.
Well, it went pretty quickly, pretty smoothly. I'm feeling a lot more confident already. Can't wait to see the hairs kind of start coming in and start to see the density that I've achieved here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think overall it was a great experience, and it wasn't too difficult to complete it all. So
awesome, man! Awesome.
Great.
So even the texts were bearable. We had a good time. Everyone had a good time. Logan's a really funny guy. So yeah. So again, the only tricky part getting through was the anesthesia. After that, you were totally comfortable. We were watching TV, eating snacks. Had a good day, I think. and just completed the procedure in just a little over 5 hours from start to finish. So we're really thrilled. So the next question I have for you is, what would you suggest for people out there that are kind of thinking about doing hair transplant and are kind of one or two either afraid about the procedure itself or they just don't trust what's out there?
Well, first thing is don't be afraid of the procedure. Procedure happened pretty quick. I know my head doesn't look too appealing right now, but I know in a couple months it'll be a completely different story. What I would say is just to reach out, ask questions if you're not 100% sure what's going on. Ask as many questions as you can, as you want to, and don't just look into one solution. Kind of examine your options and really kind of.
You got a little burnt on your first one, but we're really happy to set you up here for the future. But
it's a lot better.
Oh yeah, even right away people can say, "Oh my gosh, this is way different than what I got before."
Yeah.
And you'll see even right after the procedure, the way his hair falls over the suture line, it can be hard to even see it. If he had even longer hair, it would be even fall over even more and be virtually invisible. Now, as his hair continues to grow out from the area we buzzed it, this will not be a problem at all for Logan in concealing this suture line as it goes. So again, Logan, thanks a lot for sharing your day with everyone out there.
Absolutely.
Thrilled to follow up with you now. That's the fun part for everyone here is kind of seeing you come back 8 or 9 months. I think you're gonna be through the roof.
All right.
All right, man. We'll check in on you in a few months.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.